Hi, friends. I wanted to share something with you that I learned on my WordPress journey all the way back in 2010. Like most people, I Googled WordPress and immediately I got confused because there was WordPress.com and WordPress.org. I remember thinking, why are there two different WordPress sites? What is the difference between .com and .org? That's when I learned one of my most valuable lessons about building a website. The easiest way I can explain it is WordPress.com is like renting a house. You live in it, it's easy to move around in, they have templates, they do most of the maintenance, pretty much all of the maintenance. But you're using somebody else's platform. So you're working within their plans, not your own, and also their policies, not yours. Now, WordPress.org is like owning your own home. You get to use your own hosting, you get to choose your own design, your plugins, and you have control over the growth of your website. So back in 2010, I chose WordPress.org. I wanted to build something that belonged to me. Fast forward to today, as I rebuild my website, it brought me all the way back to 2010. That's when I realized that was one of the best decisions I ever made, was choosing the WordPress.org. So if you're thinking about starting a website, I hope this simple explanation helps you to save a little bit of time and confusion. Just published my first full story on my blog as lesson one in my new series. I'll leave the link below, but I also want to know, have you considered starting your own website?